So hi guys, so our breakfast for today is fried rice. Yesterday my party, so we had inihaw na bangus. So with that leftover, oh my goodness, nobody ate rice. Can you believe na I cooked this much rice and nobody actually ate rice? So magluluto tayo ng para sa pagkain ni Papa. As I am not really eating that much rice anymore because I was telling you about my A1C. So rice, although this is like a refrigerated rice already, so I learned that if you refrigerate rice and wait until the next day, the glycemic index is lower. But Papa likes fried rice. Naalala ko tuloy si Mama. Everyday yan nagagawa siya ng fried rice. Kasi ang fried rice is nananaman nila yung the saltiness of the soy sauce. Masarap kumain. So yun si Papa, naglakad na siya. Today, actually yesterday, let me tell you something. It was the first time that he usually goes to the refrigerator to look for the time, the dates. Ganito. In the morning, he taps on this, and then he goes right there, and then he looks at the time. So Monday, September 8th and 9:23 a.m. So that's how he looks for the date. Yesterday was the first time. I don't know if he actually looks at the date, and he didn't get ready for church. And in the morning, at around 9:20, Luke was like saying, "Papa, you're not going to church today?" And then he wasn't even changed yet. So I don't know if morning it's the beginning of the okay, so it's really hard to do this. So it's probably gonna take me all day kung ganito ang gagawin ko. This one is buntot. I don't know if may scales siya, so I don't like the scale. Tapos yung char niya, I don't like the one that's burnt. I think I have mentioned before na I have seen a study before that if you eat the char, it causes cancer. I wonder if it's gonna do that. So, tanggalin natin lahat yung mga so ito, kinukot-kot natin lahat yung mga ano niya, yung mga muscles ng bangus. So you know this bangus, I wonder how they brought it here to the US. Well, of course, it probably took time travel. I don't know, travel. Gano'ng kalayo yung, but it usually takes about a month to get it. So weird. It takes a month? I don't know. I had to ask Mera, how long does the fish from Pangasinan get to US? but then it said I don't have that information. So I was asking Meta, I keep asking it, hey Meta, when i- when does the Pangasinan bangus get to US? Pero ang sagot, Pangasinan fish sauce usually arrives 2 days from shipment, but it usually gets shipped through UPS or FedEx. I'm like, hindi fish sauce, angas. Hindi fish sauce. Ang tinatanong ko, yung bangus. Pero yung yung bangus na to, yung sa tag niya, galing sa Pangasinan. But, you know what? Guess what? It was really good. Yung taste niya is so yummy and moist and masarap. So, ang tanong, kailan po ito maluluto? Siguro tanghali na. But that's okay, guys, because as soon as I drink my okra juice, I wait and wait and wait and wait and wait. I kind of like do intermittent fasting. So, siguro, pwede na akong kumain ng fried rice na may fish, na bangus, nasa Pangasinan. Ang pinakamasarap na bangus is from Pangasinan. That's why they are called Pangasinan, capital of the Philippines. Bangus, capital of the Philippines. So, that's what it's called, guys. And from there, and then, you may ask me, ay, naku, tignan mo, yung ulo. You're gonna ask me, so you're from Pangasinan, bakit ka pumunta doon sa Palawan? We recently purchased a lot in Palawan, in Quezon, Palawan. Why did we pick that? There's so many factors, guys. 3 years ago, my husband started talking about retirement. Yeah, so he said, oh, let's look at retiring in the Philippines kasi dito sa US okay lang mag-retire dito, maganda, pero malungkot. So, like right now, guys, it's very quiet. There's no one here but me and Papa. And Matthew, he works online, so he's constantly talking to someone. He does online. He does an online job that I don't understand, so let's not go there. So I have no idea what it is. So Ray, he said, let's retire sa Philippines. So we started looking, and we started watching the typhoons. We started watching that market. Hindi ko na to lalagay. But I like the mata. I'll put it. So, sabi niya, we studied the market. What I was saying that, ang ingay ng anak ko. I was saying that like ano ba yun? Kalimutan ko na. That's a problem being 50, I guess. So anyway, I was telling you that we started looking for the typhoon routes. I was really disgruntled with Yolanda. Nakakatakot yun. Ang lakas, cyclone, di ba? Ang daming nasa lanta. And then there's different bagyo. I don't know. So we started looking sa Malbo, Cebu. Pero yung mga beachfronts na tinitingnan namin, all cliffs. Ay, wala. Ayoko yun. Kasi paano ko may enjoy yung beach kung cliff yung makikita ko. At saka kung bababa ako doon, kailangan mo ng malaking boat. So, then we looked at Bohol, Cebu, super mahal, and I said, bakit tayo pupunta dyan sa south? Eh, hindi naman tayo marunong magbisaya. Even though Dumaguete is really infested with Americanos, like foreigners, iba-ibang lahi nandun sa Dumaguete, and they speak English. Sabi ko, pupunta tayo dun sa Pilipinas na parang nasa Amerika rin tayo. Sawang-sawa na ako sa Amerika. Just because gusto kong hanap ng parang gusto ko pa Pilipino kung ano yung ginawa namin noon. So, we started looking in Palawan. Palawan is part of Mimaropa. So, mostly Tagalog. So, Palawan is part of Mimaropa. It's a part of the South Luzon. Well, hindi naman ako marunong. Actually, yung information ko lang is sa Google. At saka, nag-start lang ako magtingin mula nung naglalaro kami ng Pinoy Henyo. So, location. Okay, so, yes, Mimaropa is south of Batangas. Ay, nagtingin din pala kami sa Batangas, guys. Batangas, Tagaytay, Cavite. Eh, dahil nga super expensive, hindi namin nagustuhan ang Batangas. And we also looked in Quezon province. Pero sabi nila, gaano kakalayo sa airport. Sabi niya 6 hours, 7 hours, or 8 hours. Ang layo. At saka kung pumunta naman ako dun sa may bandang Albay. So, Ikigai talks about not retiring, right? So, what am I gonna do when I retire? Am I still gonna work as a nurse? Or am I gonna babysit my grandchildren? By the way, guys, I don't have grandchildren yet. I don't think they want to have babies soon. But that's fine. When it comes, we're gonna cross the path when they're here. So, the point of buying a land in the Philippines is to build my little community. at first we thought, we're just gonna build a tiny houses, and we're gonna have a little eating area where we can eat together, and there's gonna be karaoke. That's why I enjoy watching people. I enjoy parties, and I enjoy entertaining. So that's kind of like how we set up our house to entertain people, to meet new people, and I really like um, finding new friends. And so Ikigai is my kind of like my little guide on why we set up this place. And of course, the main reason is to make sure that we have God on our Ikigai. So Ikigai is like inner happiness. And who is our main happiness that gives us joy is only God. Right? So when we build a community of people, that is one of God's plan, God's commandment. Love the Lord your God with all your heart. So Matthew 22:37-39 says, Jesus replied, "Love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your minds. This is the first and the greatest commandment." And in 39 it says, and the second is like, love your neighbors as yourself. Kaya guys, ganun talaga ang napilian namin, ang maghanap ng lugar na we can build our own community.
Hey Meta, start recording.
So guys, I am going to do this part. Masyado na siyang na himay-himay. I mean, na ano. Masyado yata marami yan. But I don't know if I'm gonna make a lot. So, igisa natin yung garlic. Mahilig ako sa garlic, guys. Garlic rice. Ayoko nang nasusunog. So, binabantayan ko talaga siya. Para hindi siya masunog. But like, look at that piece. So, I am sauteing this. We'll put soy sauce. I'm gonna use this other one for fish omelette. Yum. So yan. Yan na guys yung ating bangus fried rice. Garlic bangus fried rice. Garlic bangus fried rice.
So, garlic bangus fried rice ang menu natin for today. And to be determined pa kung anong mangyayari sa amin. I will let you know later kung nakakuha nga ba talaga kami ng lupa sa Palawan. At saan sa Palawan ang nakuha namin lugar for our retirement. So, retiring doesn't mean really retiring. We are looking forward to being able to serve a community. Ano kaya ang mangyayari sa
Habang nagluluto tayo ng garlic bangus,
ngayon 50 na ako.
I will get one of
How
that.
long will I be able to last
onion.
ang aming
Very funny.
journey?
Malapit na yung garlic bangus. So, yun na. Tapos na, patayin ko na. And then, I will put yung dahon ng onions. Gusto ko yung matatong-tatong. So, you guys, ito na yung garlic bangus fried rice.